Guys, we have a Ferrari SF90 Spider behind me, and you guys have been seeing us tease this on our Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff. This is a brand new car, has about 600 miles. Customer got it, drove it around a little bit, and he thought it was a little bit boring in stock form, which I agree. The SF90 is a little bit too tame in stock form, but now with a full carbon fiber kit from 1016 Industries, it looks amazing. Like I said, this car didn't have the factory wing option, that kind of stuff, and now it has that beautiful wing from 1016 Industries. This is brand new, first in the world, exclusive to do it, this entire kit actually. So we're super happy to show you guys. We've done a bunch of Rift SF90s, but this is our first 1016 Industries version. Carbon fiber diffuser on the bottom. He had the plastic one, and that's a very expensive option. You can save a lot of money if you just get it aftermarket. Got that beautiful wing right here. Like I said, this literally glues on top of the factory, so it's a very easy installation actually, instead of replacing everything. And it looks really, really nice. It's not too aggressive. It's the perfect amount. It has these little jagged edges here. It looks nice. Obviously we have custom wheels on there, 21, 22 inch. We have Novitec suspension, looks amazing. Got rocker panels, carbon fiber to extend them out, because the Ferrari rocker panels are almost non-existent. They actually go more in. So these protrude out and look more aggressive. The main pieces are, I would say, in the front, because we have this beautiful vented carbon fiber fender right here. This makes all the difference in the world for the SF90. Like I said, the front is very like timid, but with these extended louvers right here in the front, it looks incredible. And it's functional because it dissipates heat. And also from the inside cabin, you could even see them. It looks gorgeous. We also have hood vents right here. These are obviously just aesthetic. They don't really do much, but really sleek design from 1016, because again, something's lacking in the front, and adding these right here looks incredible, gives it a more of the FXX style look. We got two spoilers on the bottom, one down here and one up here. So dual spoilers to make that aggressive appearance in the front. Looks literally like a little fighter jet. Really incredible. And obviously, as you guys know, this is the Spider, and it's truly an incredible car. We have the top down right now, but you open the doors, you got that beautiful black and red interior with carbon fiber bucket seats. Look incredible. 1,000 horsepower, what more do you want? It also has a Novitec exhaust system. So exhaust systems are pretty crucial on these cars too. But yeah, there you have it. A beautiful SF90 Spider, modded extremely well with a bunch of carbon fiber, and it's off to Irvine.
Hey you guys, G-Wagon is complete. This was a full blackout. As you guys can see, everything on the car is blacked out. Side trims, side steps, wheels, everything's powder coated on this car. It's good to go. Brake calipers, we painted red, as you guys can see as well. Looks really nice. Spare tire cover. This was chrome, it's all black now, as usual. All the emblems on the car, we did shiny black. And the biggest difference in this car is the front. So everything in the front is all blacked out as well. I like it. This is a simple upgrade, and it makes the biggest difference. So if you want to do an upgrade, yeah, and he wants, our painters wants a little bit of credit. He painted these as well. Yeah, sure. Okay, you're the best. So something simple, and you don't have to go too crazy. If you have a car that has a lot of chrome on it, is a project like this. You can just black out everything, make everything nice and black. The car looks different, and that's without changing a lot of stuff. So you can also go this route, simple, clean, nice, That's it. Now it's ready for a car wash.
All right, we're in Luis's bay over here, and we got another Urus wide body we're doing. Number, I don't know, 60s at this point. This is a Urus S. So it's not a Performante, and it's not the older Urus. This is a Urus S. The Urus S is weird because the diffuser, the rear end diffuser is actually the same as the old Urus, but the top section is like the Performante. So you have to do a mix of old kit, new kit, whatever. So this is getting the old style diffuser from 1016, but then it's getting the rest of the obviously new body kit. As you can see here, the body kit is pretty much almost ready. Luis has to do his signature extra work that I have to pay for to make it fit really nice, because he's very picky, and we're known for our very, very high standard wide body fitments. So as you can see, all this hard work is going into it, and then we will be painting it, and this car is going to get a satin clear bra. So it's going to turn into like a satin black car with the wide body. So yeah, another wide body Urus. I know it's repetitive, but we do a lot of them because they look so good. So Luis, hurry up.
Like it. One more. Almost done.
Okay, what's up guys? So I'm getting a new car. Whoever guesses what kind of car I'm getting is gonna get a shirt, license plate, and the frame. So make sure you guys guess what kind of car I'm gonna get. It's gonna be interesting. It's one of a kind car. It's gonna be crazy.
It's not a BMW.
It's not a BMW.
Maybe it is.
No,
I
it is a
don't
BMW. Fuck you. Okay, so guys, just guess what kind of car I'm gonna get. So it's gonna be on a Monday episode, and then you guys, whoever guesses right, is gonna get the shirt, license plate, and the frame. And let's go talk to Moses.
You should give him a ride in your car too.
Oh yeah, of course. I'm gonna leave my car to him. He's gonna drive my car for 2 weeks. Whoever guesses what kind of car I'm gonna get is gonna give shirt, license plate, and the frame. What else will you add for a giveaway?
$25 gift card?
To where?
Gift card.
Target?
Visa gift card. Doesn't matter.
Out of your
Okay,
paying
let
for
me ask you a
it?
question. If a person guesses what kind of car I'm gonna get, can you shave your head or no?
No.
He wants to. He's gonna say yes.
Yeah, he was.
He was thinking about it.
Okay. Yeah, he's not. So you're not gonna
A
let.
$25 gift card.
Okay.
Visa.
We're gonna give gift card. We're gonna
Yeah.
give shirt, license plate frame, and license plate. What else? What are you gonna?
That's like $100 already.
More.
More.
And it's a special edition shirt. It's like one of a kind. You know,
Okay,
so it's-
get away, bro.
The gift card's a Visa card. Yeah, I'm not gonna get no store card, Visa card.
All right, yeah, you know, you said the giveaway already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
so yeah, guess the exact make and model. It has to be the exact. It can't be like.
And I
just a
give you
brand.
guys a hint.
No, there's no hints.
No, I mean,
Okay, it's not that hard of a guess. So just guess.
it's one of a kind.
And then on the next YouTube video, we're gonna release his car and ship you guys that stuff.
It's working. He's not.
That's so mean.
What's up, man? What the hell? What is this?
They're muffins.
You want it?
Is it
They're
good?
really good.
Yeah?
They're really good.
It's gonna turn into like a food review channel.
Let me see. It's okay. Not bad.
That was Javier's.
It was yours?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Wait.
I got you.
Take a shot.
I'll give you some tomorrow.
Sure.
It's a shot.
Take a shot.
Huh?
Take a shot.
It's meal.
No.
Meal.
Oh, thank you. I got a question for you. What are you doing?
Play.
No, we're doing the AC on this car, right? Air conditioning,
Right, I have to check it.
AC, inner tie rod end.
See, you also
There's a gap in the
some
window, we have to check that. And that's it. This car will be done and complete. Back to the customer happy. That's it. So I just wanted an update.
I like his glasses.
Yeah. Are these prescription glasses?
No,
I know the story behind these glasses.
really.
Yeah, you found it somewhere. And you picked it up and you thought it was prescription glasses, but you put them on, it has nothing to do with anything. You just have them on for style.
I just see better with this glass.
Huh?
That's why. Like,
They work. They work.
It work. It work.
Alright. You're a good guy, Javier.
All right, guys, we have this Cullinan behind me. It's a little dusty, as you could tell. Remember, it's a body shop, and this car has been through the ringer. We have a full kit for this car that we had to actually completely fix. The kit was not fitting whatsoever. Literally, I remember one of the fenders was like poking out. So we fixed everything and we painted it. So now the body kit is ready. We're gonna be cleaning up this car, and then we're gonna be installing that full body kit on there. Obviously, as you can see, it doesn't look good. No fenders, no bumpers, car's on high mode. It's been through it. So we're gonna be fixing it all up. We're gonna be doing the kit, lowering it, clean up the wheels, all that stuff. So stay tuned. The last Huracan, it's called the STJ, Super Trofeo Jota. It looks like the STO, but the wing is raised a little bit more. Same engine and just better suspension. They're only making 10 of these.
And the price is like 600, 700,000.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.